Hello bankers, a very good evening to all of you. Welcome back. So welcome to JAIIB CIB Prep. So guys, in this particular session, we are going to discuss our unit number 11, which is all about cash management services and its importance. Okay, so very small unit and very limited content, and you can expect half marks question based on this particular one. All right. So let's have a quick look around the course content, cash management services and its importance. Okay. So we have development in CMS, cash management services. Then we have importance of cash management system, type of cash management services, challenges, and that's it, right? So this is the course content. So with the help of uh, MCQs and application based and statement based question, I'll try to cover up everything which is generally given in this particular course curriculum, right? So we will start with very first question on your screen. So consider the following statement related to cash management and identify which is correct. Okay. So we have to find out the correct statement related to cash management. Okay. So cash management, which include collection, concentration and disbursement of cash, 100% true. Okay. The primary objective of cash management is to minimize the workforce and reduce operational staff. No, it is like maximize the or the optimal utilization of the resources. Okay, so this make this statement wrong. Commercial bank in Western countries ignore cash management services due to low profitability. Again, this statement is also wrong. Okay. In Western countries, you will see there are a number of companies who involve in this cash management services business, and they make a huge profit also, right? Electronic cash management strategies have the potential to save billions for large enterprises. True. Cash management help in optimizing liquidity and providing the flow of funds. This is also correct, right? So option 145 means option A only will be correct answer for this one. So cash management services is like basically overall management of the cash. It can be in the form of collection or concentration or disbursement. Okay, so the entire things basically it is all about managing your assets and liabilities and all. Okay. So majorly it is done by the treasury department in the bank itself, and we nowadays it is generally called integrated treasury. Okay. So statement 2 was incorrect. Objective is to minimize workforce, but it is optimize liquidity. Okay. So the primary objective of cash management is to optimize liquidity or to maintain liquidity. Okay. So I hope you guys heard about sometime. It is we have an objective of maintaining solvency and liquidity. Okay. So what we generally want कि our bank should be solvent. We are making sure about the profitability and all, and at the same time we also we have to have maintain the liquidity. Liquidity is something so we can deal with our short term obligations. Okay. And that we can do with the help of your cash management services. Okay. Statement third was incorrect. Western Bank recognized cash management as a profitable area. So remaining one was correct one. Okay. Next one. In the context of CMS and RBI's efforts, which of the following pair is incorrectly which of the following is correctly matched? Okay. So आपका okay, if you go for the customer dispute and redressal fund allocation and your yes CTS is correctly matched in this case. Okay. NEFT, it is about the RTGS and all, and it is fund allocation to government. This is about the NES customer. After dispute redressal is we do not have that kind like that is not part of that particular one. Okay. So option C should be right answer for this one. Yes, huh. So check truncation system that allow bank to process check in an image form rather than the electronic one. So this we have discussed in past also. Okay. If we talk about the Indian financial network, which generally help us in the building communication, it is kind of a backbone of the entire system. So these debit and credit or the other transmission messages, they are generally done through this particular one. Okay. which is a communication backbone for the Indian banking and financial sector, used to facilitate secure transmission of the messages. Then we have CFMS, Centralized Fund Management System, designed to help bank and treasuries efficiently manage their funds across RBI, not the distribution. Distribution we generally do through done through the NES portal. आपका ठीक है. नेफ्ट आपका नेशनल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक फंड ट्रांसफर ऑपरेट ऑन हाफ आर्ली बेसिस, ठीक है, बैचेस. एंड आरटीजीएस आपका which is something related to where we have settlements on real time basis. ठीक है, so it generally work on net deferred settlement and it work on a real time basis. This question was very easy. I hope you get this particular thing clearly. Okay. So next question: which of the following statement about the importance of cash management system are correct? So cash management system and its importance. Okay. So scientific cash management help reduce interest cost and paperwork. True. Proper cash management allow detection of bookkeeping errors and reduce the number of check issued, and reduce the number of check issued. This seems also correct. So proper cash management allow detection of bookkeepings. Yes, बिल्कुल सही. Effective liquidity management lead to higher productivity of the funds, not the lower productivity. Like I hope you heard about the treasury departments. So ALM, asset liability management, that is generally taken care by the treasury in our bank. So they generally place funds in short term. So basically it is all about, let's say your assets are receivable on first and your payables are scheduled for 14. So we have 14 days in our hand. So they'll invest that particular money in short term market, or even लाइक अगर कोई भी ऐसा गैप आपको यहाँ पे मिलता है मार्केट के अंदर, ठीक है, वो आपका पॉजिटिव साइड हो या नेगेटिव साइड हो, तो ओवरऑल दिस फंड मैनेजमेंट इज जनरली डन बाय द ट्रेजरी डिपार्टमेंट एंड देयर एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव इज टू मेंटेन द लिक्विडिटी एंड to generate a profit for the bank itself. Okay? So this is clearly wrong. Multinational companies can pool surplus funds from subsidiaries to offset debt in other region. Okay? They can. Okay? Bank have moved toward fee-based services as they provide more stable revenue and better corporate relationship. So this is like nowadays we are moving, or we are moving from our traditional banking. Okay, so it is not that means ki we are not focusing on the traditional banking, borrowing and lending, but along with that particular one, we are also providing services, fee-based services or commission-based services to our HNI customers, and also we can have a better outcomes also, or better earnings also. Okay? So 1, 2, 4, 5, that means option C should be right answer for this one. Okay? So the only statement incorrect was effective liquidity management increases the productivity of funds, not the decrease. Okay? That's why for that sake we have a dedicated department that is called treasury management. Okay? Next one. Consider the following statement regarding cash management services offered by a bank in India. So we have so many services nowadays. NEFT, आपका NEFT payment channel are used to facilitate bulk disbursement to beneficiaries across various banks. True, 100% true. Auto swapping facilities help in pooling funds at a desired location for better liquidity management. Again, this is also correct. Again, the NAS payments facilities primarily use for one-time high-value remittances. No, it is not one-time. It is generally आपका in recurring. Let's say if we have to make payment आपका, ठीक है, let's say we have to make salaries payments or something else, ठीक है. So for these kind of regular or recurring payments like monthly salaries, monthly rents or something else, we can use NAS platform. ठीक है. So National Automated Credit Clearing House. ठीक है. So NPCI's product. So this is wrong. So 1 and 2 means option A should be right answer for this one. Okay? So it is incorrect. NEFT is used for bulk disbursement across multiple banks. Auto swapping is used for pooling of funds at a desired location. And statement 3 was incorrect. NES is designated for periodical disbursement or receipt, not one-time high-value remittances. Okay? For one-time high-value remittances, we can use RTGS. if it is within the country itself, right? So, product offered by banks under CMS. So, cash collection services. Bank have implemented various customized cash pickup solutions to meet specific requirements of their customers. These solutions provide benefit to customers such as minimization of operational risk, reduction in cost, security and increase efficiency. Services like NES or NEFT and others. Okay. Direct credit by fund transfers. Okay. Direct credit by fund transfer. This offer management of payables in respect of supply chain payments, overseas remittances, salary payments, and statutory payments. The core tool is NES. The major idea of NES is this. So check and demand draft drawing agreements, arrangements. These are offered on a pre-funding or a post-funding basis to corporate and banks to their clients. Need demand draft payable. Demand draft payables at par at par checks issued by the CMS clients are by branches across the country on representation of the payment team. NEFT आपका to facilitate bulk disbursement for credit to various beneficiaries. Receivable management or check collection, local and up-country cleaning solutions. NAS payment facility for periodical disbursement or receipt of money. Auto swapping facility, pooling of funds at desired location. So that is the nearly one. Okay. So foreign banks operating in India offer regional and global treasury management services, liquidity management services, card services, electronic banking services, e-commerce solution, account management services, collection management services, cash delivery management services, and investment solutions. Okay. This is the most important part of your this unit number 11. So please do revise this particular one. ठीक है, इसमें कुछ ज़्यादा है नहीं actually इस particular unit के अंदर, ठीक है. So that's why I'm doing this particular one in recorded form. Unit 11, 12, 13. These three units are very small. 12 and 13 I'll do in a single video, right? So ये आपका जो others हैं, and 15, 16 we have already done with those particular subject and we are doing live. So read the following statement related to challenges in cash management services and identify which of them are correct. In cash, आपका क्या challenges in cash management services and you have to find out the correct statement. So again, this question is a bit important. So the line between treasury and accounting functioning is becoming more defined over time. Basically it is fading, not defined. आपका, so this make this a statement wrong. So nowadays like treasury they generally involve in every activities of the bank, like they use multiple market or cross functional market like money market, securities market, forex market and all. Even they use derivatives for the liquidity management, and if there is any opportunity available in the market, so how we can encash that particular opportunity so we can generate profit for the bank itself, right? So bank must avoid industry specific strategies and offer standardized solution to all client need. They should focus on industry specific strategies as well. So this is wrong. Bank can either build, buy or outsource softwares application for online cash management. Yes, they can. They can build their own, or they can purchase, or they can outsource, right? Small and medium enterprises are a significant part of the Indian corporate landscape and require tailored cash management services. Small and medium enterprises are significant part of Indian corporate landscape and required. बिल्कुल सही, 100% छूट गए. Security and operational reliability are key concern in electronic cash management services. Yes, ठीक है. So what we have to find out correct statement, that means third, fourth and fifth आपका, ठीक है. So option B must be right answer for this particular one. So statement 1 was incorrect. The line between treasury and accounting is fading. ठीक है. Basically दोनों सेम जैसे आपके होने लगने लगे हैं आपका, ठीक है. Statement 2 was incorrect. Bank must avoid standard solutions because customer problems are not standard. ठीक है. Every customer they have different problems, so accordingly we have to tailor our products also, right? So basically, what challenges we are facing? Pehla, need to comprehend the client line of activity. ठीक है? It is activity. ठीक है? So bankers need to understand the accounting and control side of its client business. The banker should be strategic partners in a company's growth and need to learn about the concentrated industry too, and use the knowledge to propose solutions to these particular entities. Provision of other advisory services to client companies would also like that bank will solve certain other but related problems, challenging system in major initiative with far-reaching implications to the companies. Banker cannot work with standard solution always because the customer do not pose standard problems. ठीक है, so नए नए उनकी problems आते रहते हैं, but we try our best. But हाँ, जहाँ तक हो सकता है वाला ठीक है. Decision regarding sourcing of softwares application for online banking and online cash management can be, we can have built in house, we can develop that particular software, or we can bought from independent software vendors like we have Infosys, Finacle, or Bankers by TCS and all, okay, and outsource to a trusted third party as well. Okay. Special consideration to small and medium companies. The corporate sectors in India is dominated by multitude of small and medium enterprises. Bank may work out strategies to make high-tech cash management services accessible to small and medium companies. Yeah. A coordinating activity in developing cash management solutions. Bank need to work with corporate financial controllers and their staff. As this activity involve managing payables or receivables, bank also have to work with systems peoples and sometimes marketing people. So like this is the coordination. Like let's say if somebody is running some organization, and if they have current account or the you are providing the banking solution to that particular one, so that coordination work will be required in that particular situation also. Okay, and that's it. Okay, मैंने आपको बताया. So this is the maximum, like 95% content which is given in your book itself, we have covered here, right? So आपका cash management refer to collection, concentration and disbursement of cash. It encompasses a company's level of liquidity, management of cash balances, its short-term investment strategies. Good cash management require meeting company's future cash needs from the future cash sources. With change due to deregulation and new technology, bank have shifted their sales mix toward non-interest income from fee based services. ठीक है. Various payment system initiative of RBI have enabled a bank to evolve cash management services. Bank in India offer wide-ranging cash management services to their corporate client. Considering the focus of business on reducing finance cost, cash management services need to devise innovative methods and means to improve the efficiency of cash management for corporate customers. Cash management services need to be secured, reliable, and timely as well. Okay, so this is it. Very small units. Hardly you'll get half marks question from this one. And if they'll ask any question from this particular topic, that will be based on this particular content, that I can assure you, right? So I hope these things are clear. And now for 12 and 13, I'll do a single video. Again, those two units are also very small. And 14, 15, 16, we have already done in our live classes as well. All right. So this is it from my side, guys. Thank you for joining this session. Thank you for watching this session. Bye-bye. Take care all. Have a nice day. Thank you.